Good morning students. Let's continue chapter 7. Today's topic is exercise 7.3. Students, let's start exercise 7.3. There is no extra formulas. Okay. First we have to apply the identities of trigonometric function. So let's start question number first. For this, integration of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Okay. So sin square dx, it means it is 1 minus cos 2x. In place of x, here it is 2x plus 5 by 2. Okay. And it's dx. You all know the identity is sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay. It's the identity. Now takes integration. So integration of dx minus here integration of cos, multiply this, it is 4x plus 10. Okay. And dx 1 by 2. Integration of dx, it is x minus here integration of cos, it is sin 4x plus 10. Okay. And now in the denominator coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 4. Okay. Plus c. This is the answer of this question. Now move for the next question. I am first taking question number 3rd. Integration of cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 6x, right, dx. Okay. So student, first cos 2x write as it is and here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. The term is cos 4x and it is cos 6x. Okay. Now 1 by 2 take outside, it is cos 2x and here apply the formula for cos 2 cos a cos b. The identity is cos a plus b means 4x plus 6x, then plus cos a minus b means 4x minus 6x. Okay. It's dx. Solve it. It is 1 by 2 cos 2x and here you will get cos 10x plus cos 2x dx. Okay, you will get cos minus 2x, cos minus theta, cos theta only. Okay, now next is again multiply these terms. Okay, the bracket, you will get 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x cos 10x dx. Okay, plus integration of cos square 2x dx. Now again you have to apply the identity for this term. Okay, it is multiply by 2. Okay, you will get cos 2x cos 10x and here divide by 2 dx plus here integration, it is 1 plus cos square 2x, it means it is 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Okay, you have to write the formula. Okay, here I have no space, that's why I am not writing the formula. Okay, but you have to write the formula also, which formula you are apply or which identity you are applying here. Here students, it's 1 by 2, write as it is and here apply the identity. 2 cos a cos b, the identity is cos a plus b, it means 12x plus cos a minus b means 2x minus 10x, it is cos 8x. And it's to write as it is. Then plus. Okay. Here it is 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx. Now take integration. Okay. So I have to rub this. Next, integration is here 1 by 4. Okay. Integration of cos 12x, it is sin 12x by 12. Okay. Then plus integration of cos 8x, it is sin 8x by 8 plus integration of 1 means dx. Since here it is dx in the multiplication. So it's x plus integration of cos 4x, it is sin 4x by 4. At last write plus c. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. This type of questions are given student. Question number 2 is also like this question. Okay. You solve this. Now I am going to solve question number 5. In this question student, we apply the formula. I am writing here. You write in your notebook. 2 cos A cos B. It is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. There are 4 formulae like this. Next is 2 sin A sin B. It is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. One more, 2 sin A cos B. It is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. And if it is 2 cos A sin B, then here it is a minus. Okay. You note down in your notebook these identity. Now question number 5. Here integration is sin cube x cos cube x dx. Okay. First of all students, you can write cos cube x as cos square x into cos x dx. Okay. Here sin cube x write as it is cos square x 1 minus sin square x. Okay. Now cos x dx. Very simple. Substitute or put sin x is equal to t. So derivative of sin x cos x dx. It is dt. Okay. So now our question is I is equal to integration. Multiply sin cube x in this bracket. You will get sin cube x and sin x is t. So I is equal to, it's a sin cube means t cube minus, here it is sin raise 5. Okay. X. So it is t 5 t raise 5 cos x dx, it's a dt. Okay. And now integration, you will get it is t 4 by 4 minus here t 6 by 6 plus c. Now substitute the value of t. Here t is sin x. So it is sin 4x by 4 minus sin 6x by 6 plus c. Okay. Now move for the next question. Question number 9. Student, it is integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x. We have to apply the identities. Okay. So you know that cos 2x, it is cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. And 1 plus cos x, it is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. I am writing here cos x. Okay, so it is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And here it is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 take outside. Okay, it's cos square x by 2 by cos square x by 2, then minus sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 whole integration. In the next step, here you will get 1 and it's minus tan square x by 2 dx. Okay. For the next step, I is equal to 1 by 2. Now you have to change tan square x. So here 1 minus it's sec square x by 2 minus 1 in place of tan square x by 2. So here it is 1 by 2. Here 1 minus minus plus 1. So it's 2 minus sec square x by 2 dx. And now take integration. So student 1 by 2 write as it is. It is 2 dx. So 2x minus here tan x by 2 and in the denominator coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1 by 2 plus c. Now simplify, 2 will cancel here. So it's x and here it is minus tan x by 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Let's move student for question number 12. All the question in this exercise are simple. Only first you have to apply the identities. Okay. Now question number 12. Here I is equal to its sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x, it is 1 minus cos square x. Here 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. And now apply the formula a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. In the denominator it's 1 plus cos x. Here dx, this term will cancel. You will get 1 minus cos x dx. Now take integration of 1 is x minus of cos x, it's sin x plus c. Okay.